Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best resin countertops is probably one of the most versatile and visually stunning materials available for upgrading your kitchen or bathroom, offering a unique blend of durability, customizability, and modern aesthetic appeal that can completely transform your living space with its seamless, glossy finish and endless design possibilities. Number 5. Craft Resin 1 Gallon Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Discover the premium clear epoxy resin that allows you to create beautiful pieces with a glass-like finish. It's perfect for DIY art, tabletops, jewelry, and more. Tired of bubbles and yellowing? Our advanced formula releases air bubbles automatically for a smooth, clear finish every time. Achieve a perfect result with a recommended depth of 1/4 inch. Create with confidence. This food-grade epoxy resin is non-toxic, free of VOCs and solvents, making it harmless to you and the environment when used as directed. Achieve a rock-hard, scratch-resistant finish in just 24 hours. It's also heat-resistant up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, 95 degrees Celsius, ensuring a durable, glassy smooth surface that lasts for years. Our 2-part epoxy resin kit is simple to use with a 1-to-1 ratio, making it ideal for beginners and professionals alike. Elevate your art to the next level with our supplies. What we like? This product offers a bubble-free and non-yellowing finish, making it ideal for intricate art and jewelry. If you are looking for a reliable resin for detailed work and want to ensure your creations stay clear and beautiful over time, this is a great choice. What people say. The resin is self-leveling and cures crystal clear, creating a smooth, glossy finish. It has a low VOC content, making it safer to use indoors with adequate ventilation. The kit includes everything needed for a small project, like mixing cups, stir sticks, and gloves. Number 4. Clear Epoxy Resin Kit 1 Gallon. This amazing kit comes with everything you need, including high-quality epoxy resin and easy-to-follow instructions. It's perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. Using it is simple with a 1-to-1 mix ratio that eliminates confusion. Just combine equal parts of the resin and hardener for a perfect finish every time. This kit is ideal for casting and coating projects. Use it for wood finishes, tabletops, jewelry, and any other creative application you can imagine. Our premium formula cures quickly and resists yellowing from sun exposure. It hardens to a crystal clear, durable finish that's as strong as rock. For the best outcome, please read the user manual carefully before you begin. If you have any questions, our customer service team is ready to assist you. What we like? This option boasts a self-leveling formula and resistance to yellowing, perfect for tabletops and bar tops. If you are aiming for a smooth, professional-looking surface on larger projects and want a product that maintains its clarity even with sun exposure, consider this one. What people say. The product works well and has a good design. The product has a good function and feature. The product has good facts. Number 3. Stone Coat Countertops Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Achieve a stunningly clear finish with a sleek, glossy shine. You can also mix in color additives for vibrant, personalized results. Worry less about hot items with its impressive heat resistance. It's perfect for kitchen counters and other surfaces that experience heat. Breathe easy knowing it's safe to use with 0 VOCs and no harsh chemicals. It's USDA approved for your peace of mind. Enjoy a perfectly flat and even surface with its self-leveling properties. Say goodbye to frustrating bubbles and imperfections. Designed for longevity, it resists UV rays, scratches, and yellowing. Your beautiful finish will last for years to come with proper care. What we like? With exceptional heat resistance up to 470 degrees Fahrenheit and 0 VOCs, this is a top pick for kitchen countertops. If you need a durable, safe, and heat-tolerant resin for high-traffic areas in your home, this product is an excellent fit. What people say. I create artwork for a living and I use this to finish my art with because it's relatively easy to work with, i.e. mixing up, bubbles, viscosity. I also have found that it won't yellow like other brands have. This epoxy has a longer working time, so it's much better than the cheap ones. It comes out very clear and the bubbles are easy to remove with a small torch. Number 2. Promise Epoxy Resin Kit 16 ounces. Introducing our premium epoxy resin kit, designed for stunning clarity and safety. It's perfect for a wide range of creative projects, from tabletops to jewelry. Achieve professional results with our simple 1-to-1 mixing ratio. This kit is ideal for both beginners and experienced crafters, making your projects effortless. Create beautiful, food-safe surfaces like tabletops and bar tops. Once fully cured, it's safe for food contact and provides a flawless finish on wood and metal. Get a sleek, high-gloss finish every time with its self-leveling properties. It's perfect for tabletops, countertops, and any surface needing a smooth, professional look. Protect your creations from moisture with our durable, water-resistant formula. It ensures your art and home decor maintain their pristine condition through daily use. Crafted with over 40 years of expertise, our epoxy resin is proudly made in the USA. Experience the difference that dedication to quality makes. What we like. This product is food safe when cured and offers water-resistant, self-leveling finish, making it suitable for kitchen tables and bar tops. If you prioritize safety for food surfaces and desire a durable, easy-to-maintain, high-gloss finish, this is a strong contender. What people say. The resin is easy to mix and pour, with a low viscosity that allows it to self-level beautifully. It cures to a hard, durable surface that is resistant to scratches and yellowing, maintaining its clarity over time. The finished product has a high gloss, glass-like appearance that significantly enhances the look of any countertop. Number 1. Ultra Gloss 1-gallon Epoxy Resin Kit. Discover the Ultra Gloss 1-gallon Epoxy Resin Kit. Achieve a stunning, crystal-clear finish with this easy-to-use product. Its self-leveling formula ensures a smooth, bubble-free surface every time. Perfect for creating flawless art and craft projects. This resin is designed to be UV and impact-resistant, providing a durable coating for your creations. Enjoy long-lasting beauty and protection. With a simple 1-to-1 mix ratio, it's incredibly easy to use for all your DIY needs. Get professional results with minimal effort. Ideal for a wide range of applications, including art, jewelry, tables, and countertops. Let your creativity flow with this versatile resin. What we like. This kit delivers an ultra-gloss, self-leveling, and impact-resistant finish, perfect for art, jewelry, tables, and countertops. If you are seeking a visually stunning and robust resin that is easy to work with for a variety of DIY projects, this option will impress. What people say. This resin is very easy to mix and pour, with a low viscosity that allows for great self-leveling. The finished product is incredibly hard and durable, with a crystal-clear finish that shows off embedded objects beautifully. It cures quickly, even in thick pours, and produces minimal bubbles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.